Pharmaceutical production is a growing market. Machine manufacturers work hand in hand, breaking new ground in the fields of networking, transparency, and Pharma 4.0. Pexcite is an open, vendor-agnostic software platform that manages machines and processes in an intelligent way. Previous proprietary software solutions were migrated to Pexcite step by step. The new platform offers specific applications for various user groups, from production planners to system operators. Pexcite maps processes and machines throughout the pharmaceutical production value chain. With such a wide range of applications, the number of screens continues to grow. With consistent structures that are user-friendly and easy to operate, the strictly modular, component-based user interface consists of well-defined operational areas. Clear illustrations explain the operating steps for different packaging units. These illustrations can be understood by people everywhere, no matter their language or level of training. An integrated cockpit provides an overview of information on packaging units and clarifies links and dependencies. The distance view enables operators to monitor the status of the production process, even when they're not directly in front of it. Pexcite's corporate design has been translated into a user-friendly UI that fulfills the stringent production safety standards of the pharmaceutical industry. A style guide, comprising styles and components adapted for development, serves as the basis for a new design system. The Pexcite user interface fulfills the highest standards for pharmaceutical production, allowing customers to benefit from Pharma 4.0.